If an innovator comes with a product, they want to get it, as mentioned, as fast as possible to the market, and some, for the global acting companies, even more on a global scale. So these CDMOs can build, or should build, the bridge for them. Because also for an innovator, it takes time in the case they want to ramp up their capacities to invest in further continuous equipment. So it's a smart choice for a CDMO to be in this sweet spot at the moment, to say, I can do that and I can support you from clinical supply to product transfer and even on a global scale to different regions. It's an entrepreneurial decision, of course, I know. You can develop many business cases and you can dive into hours and numbers, but it's finally an entrepreneurial decision.